Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reinstalling my TFT screen protector on the R1250 GS sitting right there behind me. The reason why I say reinstalling is because I already installed one of these screen protectors and it was not the anti-glare screen protector. So it was like a glossy screen protector. And it was giving me problems on my last ride when the sun was kind of shining from behind me. It was a little difficult to see all the information on my TFT with the gloss, coating screen protector. And so what I'm going to be doing in this video is removing that glossy screen protector and reinstalling the new anti-glare screen protector on the motorcycle. Now the screen protector that I'm using, I ordered off of Amazon, and it is this right here. So this is, you can see here, Speed Angels. So I saw their screen protector, wasn't that expensive. In this one package, I believe there's 4 screen protectors. There's 2 glossy, and then there's 2 anti-glare. So originally what I did was I installed the glossy screen protector. And again, like I mentioned, it just didn't work for me when I was on my last ride and the sun was shining in from behind me on my TFT screen. It was hard for me to see all the information from the TFT screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to now remove the glossy screen protector from the bike, and I'm going to be installing this anti-glare screen protector, which also comes in this package. Remember, there's 4 screen protectors, comes in this package. Again, Speed Angels makes this, and this is specifically made for my the R1250 GS TFT screen. Now, the other thing to mention is that within this package also comes a little plastic squeegee, and also some dust removing like tape. So if you're familiar with going to, let's say for your smartphone, if you're familiar with going to one of these smartphone providers and they put on a screen protector on a smartphone, and you notice that they have this tape and they pat it down on your smartphone screen to get the dust off. Well, this package also comes with that type of sticky tape, so to say, so that you can take the dust off your TFT screen before applying this. Also, you're going to be using water. Basically, that's what it says on the package here, but not only any type of water, but I did some research, and what I'm hearing is to use distilled water so it doesn't leave any spots on the TFT screen, which goes back to one of the reasons, well, there's 2 reasons why I'm doing this and putting on this protection. One is so that in case the TFT on my bike gets wet from rain or washing the bike, there's no spots left behind, water spots on a TFT, which is a common issue on these TFT screens. If you own a BMW, a modern BMW motorcycle with these TFT screens, you'll know that you'll get a lot of water spots on that from either rainfall or if you're just washing the bike. So that's the first thing. And the second is just to put a protective coating on the TFT screen, just in case, an object hits it and, and it might crack, right? This will provide some protection. Really not much protection there, but just a little. Mostly it's for the spotting on the TFT screen. That's why I'm doing this. So anyway, with that said, let's get started. We'll take off the one that's on there now, and we'll put on the new anti-glare one from the package. One more thing to call out before we get started, in case you're interested in purchasing this Speed Angels motorcycle dashboard screen protector, which, by the way, I have no affiliation to this, this vendor at all, right? I have no affiliation. You can go out and there's probably, other different brands you can use. I just picked this one because of the price point, and it also came with 4 different screen protectors. But if you're interested in purchasing this on Amazon, I'll just zoom in. You can see there's the part number to purchase. So just wanted to give you that information as well. Okay, so you can see here that you know, my bike's stuck against the wall. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move the bike out more in the middle of my garage, you know, somewhere over here. So it gives me room to work on it. And then, you know, from there, I will start, you know, installing the screen protector. So let me start moving the bike. Okay, put it on its center stand, and now I'm ready to do some work. Okay, next I'm going to take off my SW Motec day bag, so my tank bag. So let me do that. Comes right off, very easy. And now I have a good good access to the TFT screen. So I'm not sure if the video points out so much the glare, but the screen protector on it now is a glossy protector. Again, not that good when you're riding, in my opinion, in my experience with it. You know, the glossy screen protector does not work so well, especially when the sun is behind you and you're riding, and it just, you can't see what's on a display. So we're going to remove the glossy protector, and we're going to put on the anti-glare protector. Okay, so I'm opening up the package. Again, Speed Angels, and let's just see what's in the package. I'll just show you here on the video the contents in here. So taking off the plastic film, and you know, so opening it up, you'll see that you have the instructions on how to install it. Okay, so if you look at the instructions, it says wet fit instructions, and it walks you through that. Okay, so that's good to have. The other thing to point out is these are all the different screen protectors, and this is why I like this package, because it gives you multiple. And one of the good things of having multiple, especially if you never did this before, like myself on the first time, is that you might make a mistake, and that's what I did. So I wound up really going through basically 2 or 3 of these. My third try is what's on the bike now. Okay, so they give you multiple of these, and you can see, like this one says anti-glare, right? And it also says front, so that's a front facing, and then you can see here it says anti-glare back. Okay, so just kind of pointing that out. So again, here's another anti-glare. That's the back facing, and that's the front facing. So when you put these on, you know, front obviously is going to face you, the rider. So if I was on the bike, right, the back would go to the TFT screen, and the front faces the rider. Okay, and then there's 2 gloss types. Okay, so if you want to see the difference, right, these are the 2 difference. This is the glossy, and this is the anti-glare. Okay, so you can see how the difference there, right? So we're going to be installing the anti-glare on the bike now. Now the other thing that will kind of show you is that this package also came in the kit, and so within this little black little bag here, right, is the tools that we're going to use. So first thing is they give us this microfiber towel, and we can use that to wipe things down. Okay, The second is they give us a plastic squeegee. You can see here, plastic squeegee. They give us this is just that sticky tape that I was talking about to take dust off the screen. And then they give us this little alcohol wipe, which I'm not going to use the alcohol wipe. I'm going to use the distilled water, you know, no alcohol on my TFT screen. Okay. I've heard different things on the internet. Some people say you shouldn't use alcohol on the TFT screen. And you know what? I'm just going to use plain distilled water. Can't go wrong with that. So here we go. Now, in order to take the, screen protector that's on there now off, I'm just gonna try using my fingers, right? And on the edge of the screen protector, there's a little gap from the screen protector to the edge of the TFT. So I'm just gonna try with my own hands. I don't want to scratch anything. I want to see if that works first, okay? So I'm just gonna try to grab one of the corners, and then from there, just see if I can pull it up. All right, so let me do that. And there you go. It came right off. Okay, so you can see what the TFT screen looks like, right, without a screen protector. All right, so just wanted to kind of point that out. I'm trying to move this from my Garmin, trying to move that out of the way, but you got a good idea, right? That's kind of what we're working with here, all right? So let's put the anti-glass screen protector on. Okay, first I'm gonna take the microfiber little towel that they gave us, and I'm just gonna kind of wipe it very gently and see if there's any dust on it. That should come off from there. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to I have a water bottle with distilled water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it kind of just like a mist. And then once that's done, I'll peel the back side of the screen protector and we'll place it in. So, and then once that's on, I'll use a squeegee and I'll work my way from the center out. That's how they say, take from the center of the TFT screen out, both directions, and then up and down, starting in the center for all directions. So we'll do that next. So let's give it a quick little test. What I'm going to do is, let's see. There we go. Just test it, make it so it's like a mist, just like that. See that? Okay, so perfect. That's all you need. Just very little water on there. Okay, I'm going to put this down on the side. Next, I'm taking the screen protector and where it says back, okay, that's what I'm going to peel first. All right, so and then you can just peel off right from that label. So you see that? So we're peeling that off right from the label. Okay. Goes on this way. You can see the shape of it, right? The wider shape's going to go on the bottom. And so what we're going to do is we are going to try to line this up so that, and the good thing is we can move it around pretty easy when the TFT is wetted down. Okay, so you can see how it looks now. And now what I'm going to do is take the squeegee and I'm going to squeegee the water out. So let's try that. The placement looks pretty good. So again, starting from the center and just working my way out, just squeegeeing out any type of water from how we applied it. So you can see here, looks good. Getting all the water out. Looking pretty good. I'm going to do it one more time. You don't have to press too hard. Okay, water will just come out. But again, just start from the center and just work all the sides of the TFT screen. Now, if there's any air bubbles, then you know, think about how they fit those protectors on your smartphones, right? If there's any air bubbles, you could just pull this off and then reapply it. And then you can also use that little sticky tape that they give you if there's any dust causing those air bubbles. But I think that looks pretty good at this point. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is peel the front film off of the front side of this TFT screen protector. So how we do that is, you can see here, there's a little sticker. And all we do is peel that off. So you can see how that peels off, right? Just like that. Okay? All right, looks good. Just gonna, even with that off, just give it one more. Okay, so let's take a closer look and see what this looks like, right? So if we can see, you can see how it's anti-glare, right? So, you can even see like the Garmin, my Zumo, the XT is, the screen's a lot more glossier than the TFT on the bike. Now, once we start the bike up, let's do that. So hit the start button and then let's pay attention and see what the TFT screen looks like. Here we go. So you can see it's coming up. And by looking at it, yep, service overdue. I'll talk about that in a second, why that says the service, but you can see that the, the screen looks pretty good, right? So let me see if I can X out it, right? So you can see it looks pretty good still. Okay, so again, you can see it looks pretty good with the anti-glare. It doesn't look like there's any air bubbles or anything in the way from me seeing anything relevant. Let me kind of go through the menu. My vehicle. So yeah, I like this view. Actually, when I ride the motorcycle, this is the view I ride in. So everything looks good. I like it. All right. So that said, with that said, I am going to, let's see. Yeah, I think we're good. Okay, let me shut the bike off for now. Power it off. Looks good. Okay, so I think that's it. That's the end of the video. Again, it was a very simple install, but something that some people might be interested in watching a video on and understanding, especially when it comes to maintenance videos on these bikes. Even though this really isn't maintenance, again, very simple. Anyone with anyone with two hands can do this job, right? So it's not hard at all. But anyway, hope you found this video educational. And if you put a screen protector on, hope it helps out. Let me know. If you have any comments, just leave them behind. But with that said, you all have a great day and catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.